Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Jetsono Pressure Washer, which claims to provide professional-grade cleaning, remove dirt 10 times faster, and save you money on expensive services. It promises a compact yet powerful design, multiple spray patterns, military-grade durability, and eco-friendly efficiency. Sounds great, right? But does it actually work? Or is it just another overhyped product? Let's break it all down. If you check Jetsono's official website, you'll see only positive reviews. But a quick look at Trustpilot tells a different story. Tons of negative reviews from real customers. Many claim it doesn't work as advertised, and some even suggest that Jetsono fakes its demo videos using a high-powered commercial pressure washer. If true, that means the product is being misrepresented entirely. Another huge red flag is Jetsono's claim of being featured on major media outlets like ABC, Daily Mail, and Fox. That sounds impressive until you realize there's no proof. No links, no articles, nothing to back up their claims. If they were really featured on such big platforms, they'd show evidence. Without it, this seems like a marketing trick. Then there are their before and after pictures. We've all seen those satisfying transformation images, but Jetsono's are not original. A quick Google search shows the same images on multiple websites, meaning they were likely stolen and not from real users. Let's not forget their aggressive sales tactics. Constant pop-ups saying, only a few left in stock, or limited time 60% discount. These are classic high-pressure sales tricks, designed to make you buy fast without thinking. With all these red flags, fake reviews, false media claims, misleading images, and pushy sales tactics, it's clear Jetsono might not be worth it. If a product really worked, why rely on so many deceptive tricks? Be cautious before spending your money.